subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched Redmi Note 8 Pro back in September last year, and now it's time for the company to launch its successor as Redmi Note 9 Pro. Recently, the renders of upcoming Redmi Note 9 Pro has leaked online by /leaks that shows the front and back look of the smartphone. If renders are to be believed, the Redmi Note 9 Pro will support a centrally aligned hole punch on the display for selfie camera, and the screen appears to be flat with rounded corners surrounded by small bezels. The rear panel of the phone looks to feature a horizontally aligned quad camera setup including LED flash at the top center, and it is suggested to include a 64 megapixel main camera along with the wide angle lens plus macro lens and a depth sensor. Additionally, the volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge. And notably, there is no physical fingerprint sensor appears on these renders. That means the upcoming Redmi Note 9 Pro may support in-display fingerprint sensor. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in blue color option. Apart from this, there is no other details of Redmi Note 9 Pro has leaked so far, and we'll have to wait for the official confirmation from the company. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi Note 9 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.